Hey guys! In the colorful setting of nature's riches, only a few foods are as nutrient-dense as beans. Notably in terms of controlling diabetes. These tiny but strong legumes provide a wide range of health advantages. Consequently, they are a great nutritional choice for people who want to manage their blood sugar. The aid of scientific investigation. Now let's investigate the top beans that are excellent for controlling diabetes. However, before we go any further, please let us know if you appreciate all the knowledge and research that went into creating a movie like this. If you click the like or subscribe button, it really does help. Thank you, and let's start the tally. Explains Great Northern Beans to us. These white beans with a mild flavor are an essential component of meals like cassoulet and Boston baked beans. According to a study that was published in the Journal of Medicinal Food, Great Northern beans have chemicals that can slow down how quickly carbohydrates are digested, hence assisting in controlling blood sugar rises following meals. At number 11, there are mung beans. Small little green legumes used frequently in Asian cuisine. According to research published in the Journal of Agriculture and Food Chemistry, mung beans are full of protein and fiber, as well as being a strong source of magnesium, an element associated with increased insulin sensitivity. Based on a study published in Diabetes Care. Coming in at number 10. Navy beans are renowned for their mild flavor and creamy texture. These little white beans can significantly slow down digestion, regarding sugar's absorption, only causing a slow rise in blood sugar. The American Journal of Clinical Nutrition states that securing the 9th spot are at these small reddish beans are packed with fiber, protein and other beneficial compounds which, according to a study in Nutrients, can help control post-meal blood sugar spikes. At number 8, we have black-eyed peas. A research article in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry suggests that these legumes can help reduce blood sugar spikes, thanks to their high soluble fiber content. Number 7 introduces lima beans to us, commonly referred to as butter beans. A study published in the American College of Nutrition Journal. The beans' great potential, reduce the blood sugar levels after meals, because they contain soluble fiber. On our list, kidney beans are ranked 6th. These legumes can help with glycemic control, lower the chance of developing heart disease for those with type 2 diabetes. A report published in the Archives of Internal Medicine claims that, at number 5, we have pinto beans. As per the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, their high fiber content can help slow the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream, reducing the risk of blood sugar spikes. Claiming the chickpeas are in 4th place. An investigation of Nutrients found that including these incredibly adaptable legumes in your diet can help you, reducing insulin resistance. Additionally, lowering the chance of type 2 diabetes. 3rd place, we discover. When it comes to critical nutrients, these small legumes are mighty. In order to manage diabetes, consuming lentils may reduce your risk of developing diabetes, can assist in keeping blood sugar levels stable. The Archives of Internal Medicine state that cannellini beans, who came in 2nd place. Beautiful white beans from Italy, glycemic index is low. Consequently, they're a great option for those with diabetes. A study published in the British Journal of Nutrition claims black beans finally take the number 1 spot on our list. A paper that appeared in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry claims that black beans are great for reducing blood sugar spikes after meals. There you have it, thanks to their high protein and fiber content. A thorough journey. Top 12 benis are helpful for managing diabetes, all supported by academic research. Beans are nutritious powerhouses that can greatly help in regulating blood sugar levels in addition to being diverse and delectable. Therefore, keep in mind to include these legumes in your diet for their tremendous health advantages, whether it's in a chili, salad, curry, or dip. Beans have a number of advantages beyond diabetic management. Soluble fiber, which is abundant in beans, lowers cholesterol levels. The risk of heart disease and stroke can be decreased by lowering LDL, or bad cholesterol. Including beans in meals can help with weight management and healthy eating habits since they are nutrient-dense and high in fiber, which encourages fullness and helps regulate hunger. Beans' high fiber content aids in maintaining a sound digestive system. It encourages regular bowel movements, avoids constipation, and fosters the development of good gut bacteria. Beans are an excellent source of plant-based protein, vitamins like thiamine and folate, and vitamin B6, as well as minerals including potassium, magnesium, and iron. They include a variety of elements that enhance general health and well-being, including vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. While beans are frequently linked to the control of diabetes, they can also help people without diabetes control their blood sugar levels. The absorption of glucose is slowed down by fiber, protein, and beans, resulting in improved blood sugar stability. According to various studies, the phytochemicals and antioxidants included in beans may be protective against certain cancers, including colorectal cancer. Minerals are in beans, like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, which support healthy bone health and preventing diseases like osteoporosis. Beans are a superior plant-based source of environmentally friendly protein, as comparison to animal-based proteins, friendly and affordable. Including beans in your diet can be a responsible option for the environment. Do not forget to seek advice from a trained nutritionist or a member of the medical community for specific guidance on how to include beans or any other food in your diet, especially if you have particular dietary requirements or health issues. But prior to go, let's look at how you can use these beans in your meals. They're not just for snacking. They provide a wide variety of culinary options, not simply for salads or sides. Possibilities. Imagine waking up to a delicious black bean and vegetable breakfast. For lunch, have scramble and a fantastic chickpea salad. A nutritious and diabetes-friendly cup of lentil soup to cap off the day. Wholesome snacks to satiate your appetite. Think about eating roasted azuki beans instead of your normal snacks. Useful for controlling blood sugar. Beans can be incorporated inventively into desserts. Include a novel but healthier variation on the traditional brownie. Black beans are used. An investigation published in the magazine of the Science of Food and Agricultural Studies have shown that using flours and baked items made with legumes can assist control blood after meals. Glucose reaction. Also noteworthy is the fact that bean preparation matters. A study published in the Journal of Food Science and Technology revealed that high quantities of fiber and antioxidants are best maintained when cooking is done slowly or quickly. Of beans are essential components for treating diabetes. However, keep in mind that beans are just one aspect of managing diabetes. A balanced diet and regular exercise, loaded with a variety of fruits, vegetables, lean meats, nutritious grains, and routine exams with the doctor, are essential for managing diabetes and overall health. In fact, a study on the management of diabetes showed that these general dietary patterns and lifestyle choices are important. Have a significant part in the control of diabetes. To sum up, beans, in all their varied hues and forms, are beneficial for those with diabetes. Scientific studies have frequently demonstrated their advantages, making them a great option for preserving health. High blood sugar. Including extra beans in your diet might be a tasty and practical method to control your weight. Add some black beans, pinto beans, lentils, or any of our other top 12 options for added nutrition. I wish you a pleasant and healthy mealtime. Subscribe, like and leave a comment, and I will see you in the next video.